These are the OXO Good Grips, and they are a 3-pack. I absolutely love these for pantry organization. I even took the extra step and made little labels, but they look so nice in your pantry and they store everything really well. So they have a little pop top, so simple to use. It's a one-handed operation, which I love. And then you can put anything in there. You can put cereal in there. We have in this one buckwheat. So it's storing it for when we're ready. I like that you can see the level that it's at. Then you just push that seals it. I can hold it upside down. Nothing's gonna fall out. It's a good hard plastic. And these last a really, really long time. So we have some walnuts in this one, and it just keeps them from going stale. We don't go through walnuts very often. I sometimes put them on as a salad topper, but I know that once they're in here, they're not gonna get stale. We have our rice here. I've kind of learned the hard way. If you keep things in the bag they came in, even if you put a little clip on the top, you might get bugs that get into it. That's so gross. And then you gotta throw it away. This keeps it totally protected, ready to use. And again, so simple, it just seals right there. The convenience is amazing. There's a lot of brands out there that sell similar products, but I will say that the OXO brand, I think, is superior, and it just lasts longer, and the seal is so good. So nothing coming out, high quality, and I think you're gonna love this 3-pack.